Jai Hind, dear children. Today in this chapter, we will do the book exercise, Learn Words. In Learn Words, we will learn about synonyms and antonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are the words which mean exactly or nearly same as the other word, but their usage are different. Today, I'll tell you about different synonyms used in the chapter. Look at these three words: small, little, tiny. All of them almost mean the same, but we use them differently. Now, let's see the usage. Small denotes size or height of something. When we talk about size or height, we always use small. Little is used instead of young. For age, we can use little. For quantity and amount, we can use little. In other words, you can say uncountable nouns. We use the adjective little. We also use little when we use to describe feelings. Now our third word is tiny. Tiny means very small. This is the opposite of huge. So we can say huge elephant, tiny ant. So children, in our book, we have one exercise where you have to complete the following sentences by using small, little or tiny. Now our first sentence is, my grandparents live in a small town in Chhattisgarh. So here we are filling this blank with the word small because we are talking about the area of the town. Alright? My aunt has a little baby. Basically, we are talking about the age, how young the baby is. It's the little baby. She has tiny fingers. She has very small fingers. So we are using the word tiny here. Third is, it's so nice to see that you have small plants all over your house. Here we are talking about the height of the plants. So we are using the word small. Fourth is, I was a little lucky when I was not punished for being late to school. So here the person is telling about his feelings. Fifth sentence is, we have a small garden in front of our house. Here we are talking about the size of the garden. So children, in this way you have to be very careful in usage of small, little and tiny. Now let's see what are antonyms. Children, antonyms are the opposites of the word. Alright? So antonyms are the words which tells us the opposite. You have studied opposites since your childhood. Tall, short, big, small, these all are antonyms. So in this chapter, we have the exercise where we have to write the antonyms of the underlined words. That is opposites of the underlined words. It was cold outside, but it was pleasant inside the house. So outside is underlined. The antonym of outside is inside. The sun was warm, but it was cool under the trees. Here, warm is underlined and the antonym of warm is cool. The road along the park was narrow, but beyond the park it was wide. The antonym of narrow is wide. My uncle finds it difficult to remember names. He forgets them easily. The opposite of remember is forget. Fifth is, in my village, a few are rich, but many are poor. Children, here The antonym of poor is rich. Take care, children. I hope you have understood the lesson. Revise it thoroughly and do your work very carefully. Thank you.